Do you literally have big dreams that you find really difficult to actually try to achieve? Is it hard, even just starting that task that you know is going to help you become successful? Do you sort of sit there and procrastinate about actually doing the task? And then when it comes to doing it, you just don't end up doing it, and you'll say, I'll do it tomorrow. And then you grab your phone, scrolling away on social media, or you just end up watching TV. Now, if this is you watching this video, trust me, I completely understand. Shut the up. If you are doing this, right? If you have big goals in your life, but because of low energy, or you procrastinate too much and you just say, I'm going to do things tomorrow, well, you're going to fail in life, and you will consistently fail in life. Because I'm not here to sugarcoat it, right? All of you guys that are just lazy, but you have big ambitions, right? A lot of you, you have the ambitions, which is good. That is sort of like one thing ticked, that you kind of need to be successful. You've got ambition. But a lot of you guys have this ambition, and then you go on your phone, you become a consumer, you watch TV, you play video games, you do all of these kind of things, and then you'll look at someone else with a Ferrari or a Lamborghini, or someone with a Porsche, or someone with a big mansion, and you look at them and you're like, oh wow, like they're so lucky, they've got a Lamborghini, or they've got a beautiful house, they're so lucky, they've got so much money, life must be so good for them at the top, and all of that kind of stuff, right? You have no idea what that person that's driving the Lamborghini or driving the Ferrari or has got that big mansion had to do to become successful. A lot of you guys that are just sitting and doing nothing in their lives, right? Like, it's actually mind-boggling to me, because a lot of you guys aren't even in good financial positions, but you sit there lazing around watching TV, which is, in my opinion, one of the worst things you can do, right? Just sit there and consume garbage content on Netflix, these stupid documentaries and stupid series that you guys want to keep watching the next one. You sit there wasting hours and hours of your time consuming all this garbage content when you could be on your laptop making money. Think about that for a second. If you dedicated the time that you're spending on Netflix, scrolling your phone, watching all this dumb shit, if you spend all that time actually working on a business from your laptop, do you know how successful you'd be? Because over time, you're creating this compound effect. And this works both ways, right? So this works with if you're actually trying to work your way up, and if you're trying to work your way down. A lot of you guys are working your way down because you're just sitting there watching Netflix, series after series, you're on your phone, scrolling post after post, your life is going in a downward spiral. Whereas if you just dedicate that time into working on a business, or like an online income, or like a side hustle from your laptop, your life can increase like this. The thing is, right, a lot of you guys are just so lazy with there's no burning desire in you to get rich. Or maybe there is, but you're just procrastinating a lot. You're not trying your very best every single day. You're just not doing what's expected of you. You're sitting there struggling to find motivation to do some work. Why do you need motivation? You don't need motivation. Motivation is such a scam. I'll tell you why motivation is a scam. Because motivation means that when you feel like doing something, you're going to do something. Whereas discipline means you're going to do it regardless. Regardless of how you feel, you're going to do it. I'll give you an example, right? When someone wakes up in the morning and they say, I've got a motivation to run, and they'll start running, but the next morning, they don't have that motivation anymore, right? Because motivation comes and goes. They don't feel like running in the morning now, and they go back to sleep. The people that have discipline, they will wake up at a certain time and go for a run anyway, because they've put in their heads and they put in their minds that they're going to do it regardless of how hard it is, because that's discipline. Discipline is very important. Whereas a lot of you guys run on motivation, and the guys that run on motivation will never ever be successful, because motivation comes and goes. So you might have motivation after watching a video on YouTube about dropshipping, and you're like, oh, I want to try this, I'm going to do this. You start creating your store, maybe you've added some products in, and let's say you even get as far as to doing ads, right? Because a lot of you lazy guys, once it comes to creating your store, you don't really do much after that. But let's say, for argument's sake, right, you've actually gone that far beyond, and now you're running ads for your store, and because it's your first time doing dropshipping, you didn't become an overnight success. In fact, you ended up losing money. Now you're like, okay, dropshipping doesn't work, this is long, this is hard, I can't be asked for this anymore, I give up. And that's where you guys go wrong, because you just give up. And because you ran with the whole idea of motivation, you didn't end up completing your task, which is, in this case, trying to become successful from dropshipping. Just because it didn't work the first time, that doesn't mean that you give up. I mean, do you know how many people have failed businesses and failed over and over again, but they never gave up, and now they are successful, right? I'll give you an example of me. I've tried so many businesses that have failed. I have failed on businesses upon businesses upon businesses, but eventually I worked hard and I found a business and I stuck with it, and now I'm successful because of that business. But a lot of you guys just give up. You give up way too easily. You say you're going to do something, but your words have no value. You say you're going to do this, you're going to do that, but your words have no value because your actions aren't backing it up. If you're ambitious and you're lazy, you're not going to achieve anything, because having ambition alone is not going to get you to where you want to get to. You need to put in the work. And a lot of you guys also look at a lot of these rich people, you know, you watch a lot of their content on YouTube, you know, you consume a lot of these rich people's content, and you can see, right, why these rich people are where they are and why you are where you are. They're the ones creating content and you're the ones sitting there watching it. These guys are making content for people like you to sit and watch their content while they become richer and you become poorer. So you need to get out of this mindset that, you know, I'm just going to be lazy, I'm going to laze around, you know, after my 9-to-5 job, I'm going to come home, I'm going to watch Netflix, or I'm going to spend time on my phone or play video games, and you don't have any solution to your problems, right? Some people want to become successful through 9-to-5. In my opinion, you can never be successful through a 9-to-5. Success is defined in many areas, but the reason I say you can't be successful just working a 9-to-5 for the rest of your life is because that you don't have freedom. You will always have a boss, you'll always have someone telling you what to do. Whereas when you have your own business, you work when you want, you do things when you want, etc. Freedom is priceless. I don't care how much money you're making in your 9-to-5. I would still be happy to make 1/10 of that if it means I can work for myself. So it doesn't matter how much money you're making in your 9-to-5. Money is not the end all, okay? Money is important, don't get it twisted. I'm not here saying money is nothing. Money is very, very important, and 100% you need money. But freedom is above everything, because you need freedom, right? And when you have money and freedom, then you literally are like at the top, right? That's what you really want, to have money and freedom. A lot of you guys don't have that sort of business acumen. You don't have any like special things about you in the sense that you're not working on anything. You're just sitting there watching Netflix, playing games on your phone or on a console, or you're not really doing much with your life. You're just not looking for a way out. And my question to you guys is that how do you think you're going to be successful? No, genuinely, how do you think you're going to be successful? Do you think money is randomly going to fall in your lap? Do you think you're going to win the lottery? Do you think money is just going to fall out the sky? What do you guys think is going to happen? You want a Lamborghini, you want freedom, you want certain materialistic things in your life, but you're not working towards making that happen. And it's actually funny because I also know some people who, when they see rich people, they start hating on them. And for me, that mindset is so toxic, because you're hating on someone that's actually successful, who put in the work that you're not willing to put in. How can you hate the people that have actually made money? Even if I dislike the person, right, who's made money and is quite financially successful, I only have respect for what they've achieved, right? And obviously I have respect if they've achieved it the moral way, right? If they haven't scammed anyone, they haven't, you know, sold drugs or done stuff like that. Obviously those type of people I don't have any respect for. People that have done it, you know, sort of the legal halal way, I have respect for those type of people. But when you go around your life looking at rich people, hating on them, or even if you go around looking at rich people and aspiring to be them, but you're not doing anything yourself, it's actually crazy to me. It's actually really, really crazy. And then a lot of people say, like, oh, I want this Lambo, oh, that car looks sick, I want to get this, I want to get that. But then they're not working towards anything. It's like, how are you actually going to achieve that? How are you actually going to achieve that? Now, a lot of you guys are probably watching this video who don't know who I am. I'm just going to give you a quick, brief background on who I am and what I do. So I used to work a 9-to-5 job in the UK around over 10 months ago. And over 10 months ago, I decided, you know what, I'm going to quit my 9-to-5 job and I'm going to move to Dubai. I had no savings. I sold my dream car and I just moved to Dubai. I had a little bit of online income, but it wasn't much to survive by. 10 months later, I'm here in Dubai. I'm making good money online, all because I decided to take a risk and just move, right? And a lot of you guys don't take risks. A lot of you guys are so comfortable. You know, you love comfort. You love comfort. For you to escape comfort is like, it's like you're addicted to some kind of drug. Comfort is a drug and you're addicted to it. You're not trying to escape it. You're not trying to get out of your comfort zone. I've actually escaped my comfort zone so much that I'm actually addicted to not being comfortable. It sounds crazy, but I'm actually addicted to risk. I'm actually addicted being uncomfortable. That's what's going to make you successful. That's what's going to make you make a lot of money. A lot of you guys are addicted to comfort. So you got to kind of get out of that mind frame, get out of that situation in your life. And if you guys are wondering what I do, I currently run a coaching business where I help people who are working a 9-to-5 job, or any beginners really, start their own info business where they sell their skills or knowledge to high ticket clients. And I've worked with a bunch of clients who I've helped make over 10K a month within 3 months of my program. And if you want to see some of my client results, you can go onto my Instagram and you can check it out over there. But yeah, if that sounds like you, if you need some direction in your life, you want to sort of join my coaching program where I can scale you to 10K a month, well, you can either click my link in the description and book a call with me, or you can message me on Instagram, and what we'll do is we'll jump on a call together and I'll see for a good fit. And I'm not prepared to work with you if you're lazy. Remember that. If you're lazy, you won't be qualified for my program and I won't work with you. But yeah, back to the video topic. If you're ambitious but lazy, you're not going to achieve anything in your life. And if you've come this far in the video, which I guarantee most of you have clicked off because you're not prepared prepared to listen to what I'm trying to tell you. Again, you're comfortable. You don't want to hear the truth, so you've clicked off this video. But if you somehow managed to stay this far in, and the person that's watching this, if you've managed to stay this far in, today you need to change your life. Don't say I'm going to do it tomorrow. Don't say I'm going to start on Monday or I'm going to start on another day. Right now, after you've watched this video, start on a side hustle. You can either start a coaching program, you can start a YouTube channel, you can start a drop shipping store. There's so much you can do. As I mentioned earlier, if you want my help, you can DM me on Instagram or you can book in a call with me. But please don't click off this video and just do nothing, because I know a lot of you guys will. If I can even convince that one person who's watched this video to start doing something with their life after that, that will make me happy. And that's all I'm here trying to do, is I'm trying to motivate a lot of you guys to work hard, which is the reason I started my coaching program, because I wanted to help people who are working a 9-to-5 job or beginners in general make money online so they can make money for themselves. Because I was there. I was working a 9-to-5 job over 10 months ago back in the UK, and I understand how hard it was. I understand all the things around it. But even then, when I was working a 9-to-5 job, I was still working on my online businesses, which a lot of you guys aren't doing, right? The reason I'm here today is because I was working on my online businesses. All those late nights, all those early mornings, all the struggle I had, I did everything I could to make my online business a success. And that's sort of one of the reasons why I'm here in Dubai today. I left the UK. I can work anywhere I want. I can go to Saudi Arabia, Qatar, US, UK, and I can work whenever I want. I don't have to ask for holiday. Everything's on my laptop, so I work for myself. So the question is, are you guys going to do the same? Or are you guys, after watching this video, going to go back to your life and do absolutely nothing? Honestly, the choice is yours.